Hello everyone. In the Parsha, Yaakov Avinu collects all of his children together. He says, "Ha'asfu ve'agida lachem et asher ikra etchem b'acharit hayamim." He says, collect together, and I will tell you guys what will happen to you and the end of the days. What is the end of the days? When Moshiach will come. Yaakov Avinu wanted to tell them this big secret when Moshiach will come. In the end, he wasn't able to say it. Why? Omer Rashi. Rashi says, "Bikesh legalot et haketz v'nistalka mimeno shechina." He wanted to say when is the end, when Moshiach will come, but Shechina left him. He wasn't able to say it. So the Tivat Shalom asks, why the Torah brings down this story he wanted and wasn't able in the end. So don't write it down. Why did the Torah write it down at all? The Tivat Shalom explains something like this. He says, Yaakov Avinu wanted to tell his children two options when Mashiach will come. I will explain myself. And the Gemara says there's two options when Moshiach will come. Be'ita and achishena. Be'ita means when will be the last deadline the Moshiach is able to come. The end of the goals, that he has to come to that date. But there's another option, Moshiach will come earlier. Achishena. HaKadosh Baruch Hu will do with us chesed and bring the Moshiach earlier. And the Gemara said if the Moshiach will come in the last date, and Be'ita, it will be very difficult. But if it will come at the earlier date, Achishena, with the chesed that HaKadosh Baruch Hu wants to give us, it will be great. Grateful for Am Yisrael. So Yaakov Avinu wanted to say what is the deadline, he wasn't able to say. But Yaakov Avinu wanted to teach his children another thing. He wanted to tell them what is the way to bring the Mashiach earlier. What is the way? What is the recipe? So he says, the Siva Shalom says, it's written down in the Psukim. Agida is, in Hebrew, eged, kesher, a knot. If you will all be together like a knot, together, all of you guys will be together, so that's the way to bring the Mashiach early. Achdus. It says, ve'amech kulam tzadikim. So he says, on Derech Hadrash, Ve'amech kulam, when all you nation will be together, kulam, so you're going to be the madrega of tzadikim. He's continuing and saying, Shabbos brings geula. It says in the Sifrei Chasidut, Shabbat mevi'ah geula. Shabbos will bring the geula. He says, how Shabbos brings geula? So he says, Shabbos is b'chinat yichud. Shabbos is like yichud. Shabbos explains yichud. Why Shabbos means yichud? Because Shabbos is a time to wait, to stop all running of life, and to be together with the HaKadosh Baruch Hu and with the family, and together ourselves, and thinking about HaKadosh Baruch Hu and about Emunah. So he says, Shabbos brings the Geula because Shabbos is a mean of Achdus. You go all together with yourself and with your family, with HaKadosh Baruch Hu. So it's a time of Achdus, so that's the recipe to bring the Geula. I say, a lot of people speak about Achdus outside, bringing Achdus between Klal Yisrael, between this community and this place and that place. But Achdus, just like Chesed starts inside the house, Achdus also starts inside the house. The Achdus that you will do outside, you do a lot of big stuff of Achdus. Everybody will say, wow, you did a big thing of Achdus, you did this, you did that. But the Achdus you make inside your house, no one will ask you if you did this Achdus. And no one will say, wow, you did a big Achdus. And no one will complain, you did not do this Achdus. But this is the most important Achdus, to do Achdus inside the house. Sit down Shabbos table with all of your family, kids, with your wife, all together, sitting down and singing a Shabbos song, or Ani Mamin, or Achenu for the soldiers in Gaza. No one will ask you, how did you do it? Why did it? It's personal, only if you're family together. But that's the most important thing. Achdus inside the house. Bezrat Hashem, we will all be in one piece of Achdus, and Mashiach will come very fast. Shabbat Shalom.